Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Assistive Touch on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Accessibility settings. Here you can see the touch option. Simply tap on it. At the very top of the touch settings list, you will see the option for Assistive Touch. Tap on it to proceed. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to the Assistive Touch option to turn it on. Once enabled, you will see a small floating button appear on your screen. You can now use Assistive Touch to easily access various functions and shortcuts on your iPhone. And this is how you can use Assistive Touch on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.